Now, after we finish working on the responsiveness of our website, it's time to add a logo. So for us to add a logo, we just exit out from this place. Let me remove this. We exit to our WordPress dashboard. And while it's exiting to our WordPress dashboard, I want us to open this lovely website called Logo Maker. I hope I got it right here. .com. And once we click on logomaker.com, we want to add a logo. We want to create a logo for ourselves that we'll be adding on the website. It's going to be a very simple logo, not something elaborate. So just to show you how to add a logo to this website. So we close this and then we close, click next and next, fine, and we say done. And we want to click on this browser logo. And once we browse our logo, because we're working on decoration, interior decoration, we can click on decorative. While we click on decorative, let's see if we can get something that we're like, okay, I can go with this butterfly. Now, once we click on the butterfly, you can decide to add the text to it and type something like interior finest and change the color to gold. I think it's best for us to do it with the text. So we get our butterfly and we can decide to change the color of our butterfly to something nice and lovely. And so we have this butterfly and we'll be adding it to our website. So after checking that, we want to make it white because we want to give it a transparent background so that when we place it on our website, it's going to look perfect on it. So we click save logo, and the moment we click on save logo, it's going to produce this, but we're going to say no thanks, download low resolution. So it comes here and we can change the name to whatever we want, like our web logo .png. Always save it with .png so as to maintain the transparent background, and we click on save and download, and it has finished downloading. So we can come to our WordPress dashboard and click on this appearance and go to header. So after we click on header, we go to header here and we click on logo. And once we click on logo, we can now select logo. And when we select logo, we can go to upload media, upload files, and we click on select files. And when we click on select files, we look for our web logo and we click on open. And after we've opened it, we can change the title to interior finest and click select. And while we click select, it's going to ask to crop the image. But we're going to skip cropping, and after we skip cropping, the logo is going to upload to our website and we can see it's looking good. And if your logo is not looking this way, you can easily come down below. Sorry. You can come down below and change the maximum weight. This assume is looking like this. You can change it down to whatever you want. If it's looking very large, possibly covering on your page, like something like this. Let's assume it's like this. And you don't need to be scared when your logo appears like this. Just come to the maximum weight and change it and bring it down, and your logo is there and good to go. I decided to use a butterfly, but you might decide to use something else. So we can click on publish and exit this section. So if you come to our website and refresh, you will see the interior finance, which was there all the while, would now be removed and changed to our logo, because interior finance was standing in as our logo all the while. Now we can see that it's there and it's looking good. After coming back to our WordPress dashboard, the next thing we want to do is to create a favicon. Favicon is something that looks like this. These images on the top left corner of any website. This is an example of a favicon. And you can see for our website, you can see it's just something like a new page,